What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Tellor TRB, which has pumped up just about 25% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over $152. As you guys can see, quite of a major pump. We're going to be looking at why has it pumped up, where is it heading to next, what is its next target. Over the week just about 28% and over the month 40%. We did see a major peak here on the last day of the 2023, obviously here, hitting nearly $600, and then the next day straight away dropping back down. So we're going to go through its prediction for 2024. What is the best option right now? Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Tellor, which is here in purple at $144. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at $154, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Reason they're looking quite steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not what I'm expecting. Yes, over the next few hours it may be able to head over $160. However, by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down to around $130 to $135. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Tellor to be trading at by the end of the day today. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, still ongoing, and then slowly start to dip back down in value by this evening to the end of the day. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, we still got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So exact same as the previous chart, this is not realistic for the exact same reason. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm again expecting Tellor to have dropped back down to around $120 or slightly below that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid next week. But again, don't expect it to hit red days consistently for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to have the odd green day in between where it's likely to take a pump or two. But as you guys can see, the overall outcome from my prediction seems to be more on the negative side. And again, it is overvalued right now because it's gone through quite a major pump in a short amount of time. As you guys can see, it's still going up 26% up now. So it is overvalued, so it is likely to go for a price correction over the coming hours and days as well. And that is why one of the other reasons why I'm expecting the crypto to hit red days over the coming days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. We do have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Tellor? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late March 2024, I am expecting the crypto to have gone for an overall increase in value and potentially heading close to the $200 mark is what I'm expecting, and potentially by Q2 of this year, so April, May, we should be trading above the $200 mark is what my predictions are at the moment. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs, as it has been quite volatile recently, with Bitcoin pumping up from 42,000 to 48,000 and then dropping back down to 42,000 in a space of about 10 to 15 days. So yes, it has been quite volatile, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $50,000 over the coming months, which should have a positive impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies out there, which also impacts Tellor. So if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But at the moment, over the next 2.5 months, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Tellor, heading over $200 is what my predictions are. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are literally just broken out from the red zone right now, heading into the green zone, and that is another reason why I'm expecting it to dip back down in value over the coming hours and days as well, as it needs to resist. It hasn't resisted a single bit. As you guys can see, last time we did head into the green zone on the 5th of January, which was about nearly 2 weeks ago. It did resist and drop back down into the red zone, and that is what I'm expecting to take place over the next couple of hours and days before it slowly starts to break out from the red zone into the green zone over the coming weeks. But we're gonna have to take it at a slow and steady pace, and that is why I'm expecting it to drop down in value, go for a price correction, and then potentially pump back up, heading over $200 by March, April time. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 360% in the last 24 hours, making it $260 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, and as you guys can see, it's still gaining value, and according to Binance, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, so it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view, and hence why a lot more people are trading the crypto, which is affecting the volume in a positive way, which in return also has a positive impact on the value of Tellor, affecting it in a positive way as well. And as you guys can see, it's still pumping right now. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the $200 mark, and also what is the highest figure of this crypto can hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.